We asked ChatGPT, is there a solid UFO evidence that exists? According to ChatGPT, there is no solid, conclusive evidence that proves the existence of UFOs, unidentified flying objects, or extraterrestrial life. While there have been many reported sightings and incidents over the years, most can be explained by natural phenomena, human-made objects, hoaxes, or misidentifications. That being said, there have been some incidents that remain unexplained and have been the subject of much scrutiny and debate. For example, there have been reports of UFOs being detected on radar, but these can often be explained as radar anomalies or other technical issues. Similarly, there have been reports of physical evidence such as soil samples or radiation readings that some have attributed to UFOs, but these have not been conclusively linked to extraterrestrial life or advanced technology. It is important to approach reports of UFO sightings and incidents with skepticism and to rely on rigorous scientific investigation and analysis before drawing any conclusions. While the possibility of discovering evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology remains intriguing, it is important to remain grounded in the scientific method and to remain open to alternative explanations for reported sightings and incidents.